Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Riti Kumari and I am back with another lecture number 6 on the OOP series, where we would be having a good look on this keyword. So basically here we would be seeing more about this keyword, which we majorly used in many of our code blocks like this of x equal to x. We have used this many a times. But you often have this particular doubt that what does this keyword do? So basically this keyword is used whenever you want to refer to the current class. So basically consider you are having a car class, okay? And car class is having some variable int a. Now you want to set this variable, so void set data, okay? And here I am giving int a. Now I am doing a is equal to a. So can you guess what would be the output of this particular thing? If I create an object of car Audi, and here I called Audi dot set data and 4. So can you guess what would be the output of this particular thing? Just giving you 1 minute to think. So basically I can explain you what I am doing. So here I am making a class car. Here I have created a class car. It is having a public variable int a and public function void set data, or we can also say that it is having a private variable int a and public function set data. So we are here void set data int a is equal to a, and then we are creating an object of this particular car Audi, and there we are setting the data Audi dot set data 4. So basically in this case what happens now, in the output either we get error or sometimes some garbage value is being set in a. So we can receive either this or this in the output. So what happens there? So let's have a quick look on this. So basically we are having a car class. Let's write it class car. Here we are having a variable int a. Or just to give it a bit more specifically, we can call it as speed, okay? And now in the public section, we are just setting this speed. So void set speed, and we are giving some variable as int speed. And here what we are doing, speed is equal to speed. So basically we does this. So as you can see, the variable name for here and here both are same, right? And what if we want that the variable name which we are giving here and the variable name which we are giving here, we want it same, just to make anyone understand that okay, we are passing speed as a variable. So when we do it as speed 1, there is no error, okay? But whenever I do it only as speed, there might be an error, because speed is equal to speed. Does that implies anything? It doesn't, okay? So basically we know that we are in case feeding the data in this particular speed variable which we are getting from this particular parameter. But how does the compiler knows this? So here this keyword comes into picture. Okay, so if we write it as like this, speed is equal to speed, it won't show any error. So let's understand what I have done this. So before understanding, let's see. So basically this keyword is used to distinguish between a local variable and an instance variable. So basically as you can see that this is a local variable and this is an instance variable. So whenever we want to differentiate between these two variables, whenever the name of these two variables are same, we use this keyword. So this keyword is basically a pointer which points to the address of current class instance. Okay, so basically this is a pointer variable which points to the address of current class instance. This keyword basically points to the object, okay, which invokes the member function. So as you can see in this particular example, let's see this example and you will have a more clear understanding of what is happening. So consider there is a class car. Here we have used protected int speed, and now we have created a subclass for the same class Audi and public car. We will be looking on this how the inheritance is taking place in the next particular videos. So just for your understanding, there is a class car and we are inheriting all the properties of this particular car class in the class Audi. So here inheritance is coming into picture and the Audi is called as subclass. So here we are using public, and now we are using void set speed, and here we are giving int speed, and here also we are setting the speed. This of speed is equal to speed. So basically whenever this particular class Audi inherit all the properties of car, it has all the variables, all the member functions present in car, and we can also try to override that functions and change it accordingly whatever we wish to. So basically here we are setting the speed, here we are passing a parameter int speed. Now this particular speed variable and this particular speed variable have the same name. So basically the local variable and the instance variable both are having the same name. Now whenever we will write speed is equal to speed, compiler doesn't understand that which speed this refers or which speed this refers. So we use this keyword. So basically whenever we use this keyword, it basically refers to the current class instance. So whenever it refers to the current class, so current class is car class. So basically this particular speed implies this speed. So this particular thing takes place, and that speed is given to the parameter speed. The speed which we give in the parameter is assigned to the speed which is the speed of the current class. So basically this keyword helps us in achieving this. Basically we write it like this because this is a pointer variable, and whenever a pointer variable points to anything we can use this particular arrow symbol. So since this is a pointer variable, it uses this arrow symbol and it points to the particular variable. And then this. So basically whenever we want to distinguish between a local variable and an instance variable, we use this particular keyword. So this was all about this video. I'll be coming with some more videos on this OOP series. Till then, if you're someone who is new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you're liking my content, please hit the like button and also share it among your friends. If you're someone who is watching this series or watching this particular video and have any kind of feedback, do give me in the comment section so that I can improvise from the next particular videos. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing. Bye all.